Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can submit your photos to the Haunt Halloween event on Roblox. So for instance, you want to submit this outfit. I'm just going to do a pose here just for an example. I'm not going to actually post it because this is, I don't know, I just don't feel like posting this one. So for instance, this one, you're going to select this camera. It's on free play mode. Then you're going to just select submit to the hunt, or you can just save it. Oops. Oh, okay. And you can submit it if you want to, but I'm not going to. I think you're able to submit other of your captures here. This is where you can submit it. Here, submit to the haunt, whatever. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.